In light of our Nexo cost forecast, the cost of Nexo will cross the $1.2 mark toward the finish of 2023. According to our Nexo cost forecast 2025, the fate of Nexo token is splendid, and it could stir things up around town mark. Our Nexo cost expectation 2030 demonstrates that the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of $6. As of now, Nexo's cost is exchanging around 64 cents, which is practically 5% down from the last week. Notwithstanding the negative opinion, Nexo holds the possibility to recuperate and could hit $2 by 2025. On the off chance that you are searching for Nexo expectation, our Inside and Out investigation intends to respond to your inquiries like, is Nexo a wise speculation? How high could Nexo at any point go? Where to purchase Nexo? Before we start with a definite Nexo gauge, we should jump into the coin's outline. Nexo is a blockchain-based loaning stage that gives digital currency-supported credits to clients. These credits don't need a FICO rating, and this component makes it an appealing choice for clients. With the Nexo stage, clients store upheld crypto resources for procure-a-moment credit in 45+ government-issued types of money. Check the total Nexo survey here. After saving, a credit line opens up, and no credit check is essential. Clients can spend from their acknowledge line whenever for the Nexo card or pull out straightforwardly to their ledger. The whole system of Nexo depends on two standards. 1. Versatility of exchanges, and 2. Working with a smooth incorporation with different applications. It appears Nexo will thoroughly change the worldwide skyline of installments and furthermore, as a wise speculation choice. A striking component of Nexo has been the carrying out of free virtual cards that likewise permit no restriction changes of monetary standards. These cards can be utilized for limits, and the best advantage clients determine is they can pay in their neighborhood monetary standards. Like other digital currencies, Nexo also is to a great extent subject to value development and request and supply and is exceptionally weak, despite the fact that it depends on blockchain calculations. Specialists differ as they would see it about the commitments Nexo holds in the years to come. In light of verifiable information, soon after Nexo showed up on trade in 2018, its most memorable large flood came, and among April and May, the cost of Nexo rose from $0.558 to $0.987, a significant leap that mirrored an enormous measure of early financial backer interest. Notwithstanding, it checked nearly flattish energy till September 2020. Afterward, the cost of Nexo scaled above 73 cents. However, at that point, it confronted a slight revision and retested the $0.5 mark. Shockingly, in the coronavirus stage, the verifiable information showed when any remaining monetary standards exhibited a terrible execution. The Nexo cost displayed strength, acquiring financial backer certainty, and showing an extraordinary flood in energy, with no Nexo cost drop understanding, starting from the start of 2021. In any case, in 2022, the cost of Nexo was amended consistently, and it shut the year around $0.622. Starting from the start of 2023, the Nexo token has enrolled an unstable development. Toward the finish of January 2023, it has arrived at a pinnacle of 85 cents. Afterward, it confronted a sharp dive and tumbled to 60 cents. In any case, from that point forward, the Nexo token has figured out how to safeguard its force and exchanged the reach from 63 cents to 74 cents till date. Nexo holds potential to recuperate fundamentally as it stays over its help of 60 cents. We should investigate what crypto specialists think about the eventual fate of Nexo. Being recorded on most of trades gives Nexo a manageability advantage that impacts Nexo's figure, contrasted with conventional monetary standards. The ongoing cost of Nexo waits around 64 cents with a 24H value change of plus 0.43%. And a 24-hour volume of $3,723,053 with a market cap of $359,510,732. There is at present a circling supply of 560,011 Nexo tokens on the planet. In view of our expectations from the ongoing cost of Nexo, a cost fall is expected. The Nexo cost forecast for 2023 is $0.124. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $2.06, and Nexo might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Nexo is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.89 and a low of $1.77 in 2025, according to the Nexo cost forecast. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Nexo, in 2023, the cost of Nexo is determined to be at around a base worth of 82 cents. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a limit of 92 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 84 cents. Nexo value expectation 2023. Going by the investigation of more limited and longer Nexo cost patterns, almost certainly, the year 2023 may not be ideal for Nexo for heightening, particularly with rivals finding intensity or markets playing find the stowaway. In view of our Nexo coin cost forecast, the base cost of Nexo token may be around 60 cents, while the most extreme cost might be around $1.2. Nexo expectation 2024 as indicated by the investigation and Nexo cost expectation for 2024, it is forecasted that the base cost of Nexo will be around $1.15. The greatest expected Nexo cost might be around $1.32. By and large, the normal exchanging cost may be $1.23 during 2024. Nexo value expectation 2025 of every 2025, Nexo coin could check the benchmark year, as the greatest cost of Nexo is gauged to outperform $2 definitely. In view of our Nexo coin cost expectation, the base extended cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $1.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $1.7 during 2025. Nexo value expectation 2026. As per our Nexo cost conjecture in view of specialized examination and past information, the Nexo cost could leap to about $3.1 by 2026. Simultaneously, the base and normal costs are supposed to be around $2.3 and $2.7 individually. Nexo coin value expectation 2027. Keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern, there are Nexo forecasts that the coin could record a greatest value level of $4.4 in 2027. The most extreme cost of Nexo might be around $3.2. By and large, the Nexo cost may be $3.5 during 2027. Nexo expectations 2028. Considering our Nexo figure for 2028, the overall greatest cost of Nexo token may be around $5.2. The base cost for Nexo is anticipated to be roughly $4.5, while the typical cost of Nexo may be around $4.7 during 2028. Nexo figure 2029. As per our Nexo cost expectation, the token is supposed to exchange at the very least cost of $5.55, with a most extreme cost of $6.25. Simultaneously, the typical worth of the token for the whole year might be around $5.9. Nexo value expectation 2030. Nexo coin is supposed to have a huge year in 2030, with the most extreme value gauged to surpass $6, according to our Nexo forecast for 2030. The base cost for Nexo is assessed to be roughly $5.3, while the typical cost is expected to be around $5.7 during 2030. Does Nexo have a future? Nexo is a cryptographic money that has a savvy and splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will govern the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long